Do you want to know how you can log into your Comcast Xfinity account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Comcast Xfinity account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser. Go to the search bar to search for Comcast Xfinity Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. This is the official login portal of Xfinity. Go ahead and write down your email address, your mobile number or your username over here and then click Let's Go. If the ID is valid, you can click Password and then click Sign In. This way you can log in to your Comcast Xfinity account. If you don't have an account, go ahead and click Create a new Xfinity ID, and if you want to find your ID, click on Xfinity ID. I hope this video about how you can log into your Xfinity or your Comcast Xfinity account was helpful for you. Let me show it to you once again, guys, how you can log into your Xfinity account. Go ahead and search for Comcast Xfinity login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. Write down your email address, mobile or phone number, and then click Let's Go. Now click Sign In after writing down your Xfinity password, and then you can log into your Xfinity account. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.